Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to turn your creative ideas into sellable products in a few minutes. How does it work? It all starts with your inspiration. Maybe you've sketched a cool design, created some digital artwork, or simply found an image that inspires you. All you need to do is take a screenshot and upload it. Now, head over to YOYCOL's design system and upload your image. The AI immediately gets to work, analyzing key visual elements, color palettes, and the overall layout of your design. It's like having a professional AI design assistant that instantly understands your ideas. Once the AI finishes analyzing your image, it's time to bring it to life. You can choose from a wide range of products, including t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, tote bags, and more. With just one click, you can apply the analyzed design to any product you choose. There's no need to worry about resizing, repositioning, or manual adjustments for each item. The system takes care of everything for you and shows an accurate, ready-to-sell preview. Aterchiestage, the extract visual elements can also be further redesigned based on your needs. You can refine layout, add du color, enhance details, or create new variations according to your marketing message or campaign style. You can easily generate secondary designs from the original image, helping you create multiple versions for different products, platforms, or seasonal promotions without starting from scratch. For anyone who struggles with writing product copy, the next step is a real game changer. Instead of staring at a blank page, you can use the AI title and description feature. It instantly generates optimized product titles and compelling selling points for major platforms like Shopify, Etsy, TikTok Shop, and Amazon. This means your product listings are search engine friendly from day one, making it easier for customers to discover your products. Finally, you can publish your new product directly from YOYCOL and seamlessly sync it to your online store. We take care of all the back-end work for you. When a customer places an order, YOYCOL's global fulfillment network handles production and shipping. This ensures fast, reliable delivery to customers all around the world.